Hello guys, you are watching Say Ideas. Today I am going to tell you some health benefits of eating dark chocolate and benefits of dark chocolate. I will also tell you some benefits of dark chocolate in skincare and benefits of eating dark chocolate in hair health. And some tips how to buy dark chocolate from market. Before watching my video, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so you could get more interesting videos. So let's start. Health benefits of dark chocolate. Number 1, heart health. The cocoa flavonoids present in dark chocolate are good for the heart. It can boost heart health and reduce the likelihood of heart disease considerably. It can lower the levels of cholesterol, which builds plaque deposits in the arteries. It can also assist in maintaining the cholesterol levels, thus protecting against heart issues. Next one is fight against cancer. The antioxidant properties of dark chocolate can potentially extend cancer protection by diminishing damage to cells. It can neutralize cancer cell production and the associated inflammation. Regular consumption of dark chocolate can particularly provide beneficial in defending against colon cancer. Next one is helpful for diabetic patients. Dark chocolate for diabetes can be helpful. The flavonoids in dark chocolate support insulin sensitivity, improve glucose balance and inflammation markers, the factors which mainly contribute to the incidence of diabetes. People who take dark chocolate pieces can lower their chances of developing diabetes in comparison with people who do not eat them. Next one is helpful in brain function. The potential merits of dark chocolate for the brain can be numerous because of its flavon content. Eating dark chocolate can intensify blood flow to a few important brain areas, which in turn leads to general alertness and enhanced performance in tasks. It can also helpful to sharpen the memory, augment focus and shield the brain from aging fast. Next one, it low downs blood pressure. Dark chocolate contains magnesium, which can support a lowering of blood pressure. Taking dark chocolate can also lift nitric oxide levels in the body, thereby reducing the overall blood pressure. Next one is weight loss. Consuming dark chocolate can curb cravings because its high satiety value can help you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus, you may be less tempted to gorge on snacks, which can become a factor or weight loss. In addition, they are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which stimulate metabolism to burn fat. Decreasing cholesterol level. Dark chocolate has cholesterol lowering advantages as well. It can improve lipid profile along with limiting platelet reactivity. Next one is protective against neurological diseases. Dark chocolate can increase cerebral blood flow due to its substantial flavon content, which may help thwart age-related memory weakening. It also extends extensive protection to neurons in the nervous system and brain, thereby preventing Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Last one is help in strengthening of vision. The cocoa flavors in dark chocolate can heighten oxygen availability and nutrient supply to the blood vessels present in the eyes, thus fortifying vision health. Studies show that dark chocolate displayed a better capability to enhance visual activeness than white chocolate. Benefits of dark chocolate for skin care. Number 1, protects against ultraviolet damage. The flavonoids and flavonols in dark chocolate can protect the skin from destructive ultraviolet rays of sun, thereby preventing sunspots and other related skin damage. Fights aging. Dark chocolate's incredible antioxidant qualities can aid in combining DNA mutilation, which results in aging symptoms like graying hair, wrinkles, and other diseases. Next one is hydrates the skin. Flavonols in dark chocolate can support your skin in looking its best. You can achieve smoother skin by taking chocolate daily in moderate quantities. They fight free radicals and reinforce blood flow, thus elevating skin hydration and providing skin with a glow. It prevents collagen breakdown. Dark chocolate can successfully battle stress hormones which cause collagen breakdown. Fewer collagen breakdown means fewer wrinkles and healthier skin. Benefits of dark chocolate for hair. Number 1, improves blood circulation to the scalp. Dark chocolate can encourage blood circulation to the scalp, thus allowing you to have thick and nourished hair. Next one is protects against dandruff. The anti-inflammatory abilities of dark chocolate can help the scalp to be free from infections. It can also stop the buildup and spread of dandruff by adequately supplementing the scalp. Last one is makes hair lustrous. Dark chocolate is jam-packed with antioxidants and nutrients which can help prevent hair loss and promote thick and shiny hairs. Now I will tell you some tips of buying dark chocolate from the market. Number 1, the darker it is, more beneficial it will be. If you happen to eat a bar which is too sweet, chances are that it is stripped of beneficial flavonoids to give it a more consumer friendly taste. It is normal to find great taste disparities from bar to bar. It all depends on the kinds of beans employed to manufacture the chocolate. That is all from my today's video. Stay tuned until my next video. Keep watching my channel, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you could get more interesting videos. Take care of yourselves and remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching.